Ever wanted to make money doing what you love? Well, whiteboard animation is your golden ticket. It's like magic, taking your drawings and transforming them into a paycheck. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just someone with a passion for doodling, this skill is your secret weapon. Imagine creating fun animations and getting paid for it. It's not just a dream, it's the reality of the digital age.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore AI channel, where creativity meets financial success. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world, whiteboard animation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only be a whiteboard animation pro, but also know how to turn your skills into a lucrative income stream. I'm Sadef, let's get started.
To start our journey with Mango Animate, begin by searching for it on Google and clicking on the first link. This robust platform offers a variety of animation options. The Mango Whiteboard Animation tool, Mango WM, allows you to craft high-quality whiteboard animations, while the Mango Character Animation tool, Mango CM, lets you bring characters to life. Additionally, the Mango Presentation Maker, Mango PM, empowers you to create animated presentations. Firstly, click on Products in the toolbar and select Mango WM. Then, easily download the application onto your desktop. Once the download is complete, launch the app. On the Mango dashboard, discover a range of pre-prepared templates across different categories such as education, marketing, and human resources. Click on New Project and choose the desired aspect ratio. Explore the tools on the first page, beginning with the background timeline. Customize your animation with a simple background, a colored background, or by modifying the existing background. Utilize camera effects to enhance text or objects with effects like handwriting or hand drawing. The Action tool enables you to set actions for objects and create an action timeline for overlay objects. On the left side of the timeline, easily delete unnecessary timelines. Right-click on objects to access various options for customization, addition, or deletion. The blue box represents your camera's screen and angle. Navigate to the top right of the dashboard, where you'll find tools to add objects to your animation, such as images, shapes, text, sound, and more. You can also incorporate local images or sounds from your computer. Now, let's find an engaging script on which to base our animation. Head over to ChatGPT and prompt it with something like, "Write a YouTube video script about the importance of learning whiteboard animation to earn a lot of money," about one paragraph. In the main body, discover a captivating script to guide your animation. Take it step by step, focusing on each keyword to craft a compelling storyline. Begin by creating a character with aspirations of financial success. To kick off, initiate a search for an image of thinking in the search box. Once you've found the desired image, click on it and position it accurately. On the action timeline, personalize the character. For instance, selecting the focus option ensures the camera focuses on the character, allowing you to observe the immediate impact. For synchronization with your voiceover, consider shortening the timeline. Clicking on Pan enables you to effortlessly choose an entrance effect for the character. In this demonstration, I've chosen the hand drawing effect. Explore various effect options and settings at the bottom. Next, enhance your animation with a lamp image. After adding the lamp, customize its size for visual appeal. Click on its timeline to import the appropriate effect. I've chosen hand drawing for it. Preview the animation to see the seamless integration. Now, let's introduce a money image. If your initial keyword search yields no results, try platforms like Icon 8. Search it on Google and click the first link. You can see this platform offers free PNG icons, illustrations, 3D illustrations, and other options for free. Now search for coins and change the type of image to the illustration. Now you are offered many coins and money PNG images. Select and download a suitable coin illustration, then import it into the animation. Customize the object and preview the animation. But I decide to change the imported image and adjust the size accordingly. Consider adding additional item and customize it with different effects. time to incorporate text. Navigate to the top toolbar, select the text box, choose a font, and enter your desired text. Adjust the text color through the right toolbar settings and align the timeline of objects. Preview the animation to ensure everything flows seamlessly. That was amazing. If you go back to the script, you can find a keyword like golden ticket, so incorporate a golden cup GIF through the decoration box. Then select a different effect for it. For clearing the text, I need an effect too. So head over to the end of the timeline and click on the plus icon, then go to the clear effect and choose no hand action and turn page effect. Preview the animation to see the captivating result. Finally, it's time to narrate the story through a voiceover. To undertake this task, leverage the capabilities of the 11 Labs platform. Initiate by clicking Get Started for free and sign in using your Gmail account. Within the platform, select your preferred voice and paste your text. Proceed to generate your voiceover and download it for free. Transition to the Mango app, then, on the bottom toolbar, choose the sound icon to create a dedicated timeline. Navigate to the upper toolbar and select the sound box. Integrate your voiceover into the animation. In the information box, fine-tune settings such as volume, speed, and apply sound fade in or out effects. Efficiently manage your project by hiding or deleting unnecessary timelines.
Ever wanted to make money doing what you love?
For the final touch, synchronize the sound with your animation. Elevate your animation's appeal by incorporating diverse sound effects, such as coin sound effects. Insert the sound effect into a new timeline. Customize it to align with your object and edit as needed.
Ever wanted to make money doing what you love? Well, Whiteboard Animation is your golden ticket.
Experiment with additional auditory elements, like a chalkboard sound effect. Easily locate and download these effects for free on Google. Integrate the sound into the animation and tailor it to your liking.
Ever wanted to make money doing what you love? Well, Whiteboard Animation is your golden ticket. It's like magic, taking your drawings and...
As the concluding step, click on the Publish icon and output the project in video format. Note that the 576 pixel size is available for free download. Witness the culmination of your efforts in the final result.
Ever wanted to make money doing what you love? Well, Whiteboard Animation is your golden ticket. It's like magic, taking your drawings and transforming them.
There you have it, folks. Whiteboard animation is not just an art form, it's a potential money-making machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.